Namaste, welcome to AnkiNish Creations. Today's video is a get to know me tag video. Our community is growing and it's about to reach 15,000 subscribers. So I thought it's high time we make such kind of videos. It will always be a bonus video than my regular craft video. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment down below if you want to see more such videos. And now let's get started. My name is Ankita Kimisra. I was born in Udaipur, Rajasthan and I was brought up in Surat, Gujarat in India. I currently live in Dublin, Ireland. Yes, I'm married and I have a baby boy who is 16 months old now. Pizza and dry Manchurian. Yum. I am a qualified chartered accountant. I have 3 siblings, 2 sisters and 1 brother, and I am the eldest one. My frequent mood swings. For arts and crafts, I have lots of favorite YouTubers, and other than arts and crafts, pickup lines and Wasser Beauty. I hope I'm pronouncing right. I'll link their channel in the description box below. Well, I guess this should be answered by Nishant. 3 words that describes me. Bolo.
Creative, fighter, and emotional.
Fighter मतलब लड़ना तो
Fights in every odd situation.
Bollywood. Favorite movies? ये जवानी है दीवानी and दिल धड़कने दो. Santorini, Greece. Yes, Disney World in Orlando in United States. Pure vegetarian. No tea, no coffee, only Indian masala chai. Bolo, hi guys. Hi Papa.
Kachi sir, camera ke
So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Hit that like button if you do and please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's reach to 15,000 as soon as possible. Okay, bye. Love being creative. Bye.